Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. And first of all, let us to introduce ourselves. Hello, my name is Marvella.
My name is Nadhira Aisyah.
And we're from XII-1. And now we will present our comic assignment. And the title of our comic is Confidence Comes From Preparation. And you can see us as authors. And this is the characters. Say hi to Maya and Alex. You look nervous today. Do you have a presentation? This sentence is your simple present tense because Alex talking about Maya's condition that is true right now. And simple present tense used to describe something that is happening with the formula subject plus verb 1 plus object. And we can see the simple present tense at you look nervous.
Yesterday, the teacher announced it suddenly. So this is a form of simple past tense. And the formula of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2. And why do we use simple past tense in here? Because the announcement is already announced, is already happened. I mean, like the action is already happened at a specific time in the past. So we have to use simple past tense when the action is already happening in the past and at a specific time, which is yesterday.
I see. You're holding your notes very tightly right now. And the sentence is used present continuous tense because Maya is holding her notes at this moment. And present continuous tense used to describe an action that is happening right now. With the formula is subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing plus object. And we can see the present continuous tense at the sentence, you are holding your notes.
I have practiced this presentation several times. So it is a present perfect. And why do we use present perfect in here? Because it is talking about an experience. So which is experience is something that basically happened in the past, but the impact of the action is still going on until now. So, and it has no specific time, so that's the reason why we have to use the present perfect.
Good, you had prepared well before the class started. This sentence is used past perfect tense because the preparation happened before another past event or before the class started. The past perfect tense used to describe an action that happened earlier than another action in the past. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. And we can see the past perfect tense in you had prepared well.
The topic was chosen by the teacher, so it is a passive simple past tense. And why do we use passive simple past tense? Because of course the action is already happened in the past, and also we want to emphasize or focusing more on the topic. So that's why we're using passive voice. And also the formula of passive voice is subject plus was were plus past participle. It's for passive voice in simple past tense, yeah. And why do we use was in here? Because when we change the pronunciation of the topic, it become it. So the to be for it is was. So that's why we use was and simple past tense.
Don't worry, your effort has been recognized by the teacher. This sentence is used passive voice with present perfect because the recognition already happened and attached the result is still important now. And the passive voice with present perfect used when an action has been complete and the result still matters now. And the focus in the object. The formula of passive voice with present perfect is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 3 plus by and plus does. And you can find the passive voice with present perfect in your effort has been recognized by the teacher.
I was being encouraged by my friends before the presentation started. So we use passive voice in past continuous in here. And why do we have to use passive voice in here? Because we're highlighting the I and also the action, not highlighting the friends. And why do we have to use past continuous in here? Because the encouragement is happening before another past action, which is the presentation. So to make it clearer, if there's any action that happening before another past action, we use past continuous for that. And the formula of passive voice in past continuous is subject plus was were plus being and plus past participle.
You're being supported by everyone in the class right now. And this sentence use passive voice because the subject, you, received the action, not performs it. And the action supported is done by everyone in the class, which is shown by the phrase by everyone in the class.
And why do we have to use present continuous in here? Because it is happening like right now at this moment, so we use present continuous. And for the formula of passive voice in present continuous is subject plus is are, it depends on the subject, plus being plus past participle. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.